15 years ago, besides email, there were only two types of traffic on your corporate network: business applications and threats. Back then, phones were dumb. Tablets were something made from granite, and users had no choice. Today, devices and applications are things that the user, rather than IT, chooses. Let's look at a few examples. A supply chain manager chooses Dropbox to collaborate with partners. Corporate communications chooses Twitter to engage influencers. Sales directors choose Skype to run the sales force from iPads. These applications and devices help us do our jobs better, faster, and cheaper, which is good for business. In fact, no business can survive today without allowing its people the freedom to maximize their efforts, to establish new revenue streams, enhance customer service, improve productivity, and reduce time to market for new products and services. Unfortunately, these applications also carry viruses, malware, and other serious threats, and lots of them. And security hasn't evolved nearly as rapidly. For most organizations, your security infrastructure is optimized to deal with yesterday's world, and basically assumes traffic is either good or bad. Now, things aren't that simple anymore. To retain the advantages of Enterprise 2.0 applications while minimizing the risk, you need better network security. The foundation of enterprise network security is the firewall. It's the only security device on the network that sees and classifies all traffic. It's the place to start. Here's a clue. If your firewall vendor keeps selling you additional appliances or blades, it likely means their firewall needs help. More appliances or bolt-on functionality add cost and complexity, but not necessarily more effective security. You need a new foundation, a firewall smart enough to classify traffic based on things that are relevant to your business, applications, and users. With the Next Generation Firewall, you can establish policies nuanced enough to enable selected users to benefit from the applications and application functions they need to get their jobs done. You can continuously monitor usage, inspect encrypted traffic, and deal with unknown applications based on those policies. What do we call this network security nirvana? The industry calls it a Next Generation Firewall, but what you really get is safe application enablement. Now let's circle back to those people who design, build, market, and sell your products and services. Thanks to a Next Generation Firewall, they can use the applications that best enable them to do their jobs without exposing your organization to undue risk. In other words, the applications that power your business can be adopted with complete confidence. That's been the experience of organizations protected by Next Generation Firewalls from Paloalto Networks. But don't just take our word for it. Gartner recognized Paloalto Networks as a leader in their 2011 Magic Quadrant for Enterprise Network Firewalls for driving innovation back into the network security market. So by shifting from simply blocking traffic to safe application enablement, the right security can actually sharpen your competitive edge, and the wrong security can hold you back. Something to think about.